I want to connect OnePlus Nord Buds 2R to my laptop. After turning on Bluetooth, the OnePlus Nord Buds 2R device is not visible on the laptop. If the Buds device is not visible on the laptop, let's see how to fix it. Take the Buds out of the case. This is the touchpad of the OnePlus Nord Buds 2R. Press and hold the touchpad for 10 seconds. Now place the Buds in the charging case. The Buds are now resetting. After resetting, the Buds device will be visible on the laptop. Now the Buds device is ready to connect to the laptop. The OnePlus Nord Buds 2R is now connected to the laptop.